Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to disable microphone of mobile lessons. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find apps option. Tap on it. Now select manage apps option. In the search bar, type in mobile lessons and perform your search. Tap on it. Select App Permissions option. Then select Microphone, which is under Allowed. Check on Don't Allow option to disable microphone of mobile lessons. And this is how you can disable microphone of mobile lessons. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.